If you want to upgrade the look of your Ford Super Duty, these glossy black toe mirror cap covers are a simple and effective option. Designed for F250, F350, F450, and F550 models, they offer a precise fit and a sleek, modern finish. Installation is quick and easy, with a snap-on or adhesive design that requires no special tools. Along with improving the appearance, they also help protect your mirror housing from scratches and everyday wear. Made from durable material, these covers are built to last while giving your truck a premium look. It's in